Welcome to Kryptonite. My name is Ife, and in this video, I am going to create a new profitable trading strategy that could make you consistent profit over time. Currently, I am on the BTC USDT price chart, and this is the weekly time frame. The first thing I am going to do is to go over to the indicators template right here, click on this, and I am going to select the displaced EMA. This is the indicator right here, this red line. Double click on this. Right here, I am going to change the length from 20 to 200. This is what we are going to use in this video. This right here is the exponential moving average on a 200 length. The reason why I am showing you this is because there could be a potential bounce at this exact level, and I am going to show you exactly how to trade this. Right now, I am going to create a strategy with my potential trade setup. If the price chooses to come down to this level and have a big bounce, I am going to show you exactly how I am going to play this. And also, if the price goes straight down below this 200 exponential moving average, I would also show you my exact trade setup. So basically, I am going to do all the required technical analysis. What you have to do is to follow this exact strategy, and if I make profit, you are going to make profit also. So you are basically going to copy my strategy as I place my trade in real time. And this can be done automatically when I use a particular exchange. In this video, I am going to use the PrimeXBT exchange. So right now, I would go ahead and log in. This right here is the exchange I am going to use to create a new strategy so that you can copy my exact trades. Before I start, if you don't know how to use this exchange, I would leave a link up there for a step-by-step tutorial on how to use the PrimeXBT exchange. If you use my specific promo code Kryptonite, you are going to get up to $7,000 in bonus when you make your first deposit on the PrimeXBT exchange. With that said, now let's go ahead and create a new trading strategy. You go to this section right here, copy trading. I am going to click on this. Go over to my strategies right here. This is where I would be creating my own trading strategy, and you can easily follow my exact trade setup. Right now, I would go ahead and get started. My base currency is going to be USDT. The name of this strategy is going to be Kryptonite, and right now I would go ahead and create this strategy. You can see that once I create this strategy, my account statistics is going to be made public. I would click on confirm. This is basically the process of creating a new trading strategy on the PrimeXBT exchange. For me to start trading, I would go ahead and click on trade right here. This is the BTC price chart, and if I choose to enter a long position or a short position, whatever profit I make, anyone invested in my strategy is going to make that profit. And if I incur any loss, anyone invested in my strategy is also going to incur that particular loss. So basically, if I continue to make consistent profits with my strategy, then you also would make consistent profits when you follow this strategy. Right now, let me enter a position to show you exactly how this works. I would go over to this section right here. I am going to place a market order, and my order would be executed at current price. I would go ahead and select the quantity. This is the quantity I want to trade at this current price. Right now, I would place this order, confirm. You can see below right here that my order has been placed, and currently I am in a bit of profit. Now, what this means is that as I am making profit right here, if you follow this exact strategy, you also would be making profit. And also, if I make a potential loss, you also are going to make a potential loss. So this is how the PrimeXBT copy trading section works. I would be placing my trade on this exchange, and if you want to follow my strategy, you can go over to the PrimeXBT exchange and search for Kryptonite. In the copy trading section right here, you can basically click on this filter and search for my strategy. If you also want to invest in other trader strategy, you can do so in the copy trading section. You can invest in any of these strategies and make consistent profit for yourself. In just 2 minutes, you can see that I am in a bit of profit right here. I can choose to close this position and take my profit. I will click on this X button right here and close this position. Confirm. So this is exactly how this section works. As I make profit, you also are going to make profit. And you should also keep in mind that when I make a particular loss, you are also going to make that exact loss. I truly hope you enjoyed this kind of content, and if you did, you can please leave a thumbs up and try subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section and I will try answer all your questions. For right now, this is going to be it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.